Don't want to spend the rest of your Saturday cleaning the house? You won't have to with these tricks from cleaning expert Balbina Dabrowski.
First thing you want to do is prioritize your cleaning. So you really need to have a game plan and a strategy going into everything. So you really want to tackle, room by room. One quick thing that I would suggest for anyone to do their cleaning is to set a timer for each room, so that way you don't get stuck spending too much time. You also want to have a strategy. So you want to tackle, either from left side to the right side of the house or top to bottom, which I recommend is obviously the dust will fall to the bottom naturally. So you want to start from the top floor, go down to the bottom, and then do all of the vacuuming, because the vacuuming, obviously all the dust, everything settles onto the floor, so save the vacuuming for last.
This strategy will also cut down on moving from room to room.
Another big tip and trick that I love is to always carry around a basket with you. So instead of, picking up kids' toys or whatnot and putting them away one by one, you're kind of just putting everything into the basket and dealing with it later to avoid kind of that back and forth in between each room. So that really helps a lot.
You can even stash the basket away if you're really pressed for time, but never overlook the bathrooms and the kitchen.
I think the bathroom is always the area that gets neglected, so you always want to make sure that the toilet's clean, the mirrors are clean, because I find those places take the most amount of time, bathrooms, kitchens. The good thing about kitchens is we often do a clean as you go, so there's not too much time needed there, but those are definitely the two areas that get dirty the most, and it's clear when they're dirty, so you want to take care of those first.
The one go-to tool for tidying up in a hurry? A lint roller.
So another thing that I love to use that you wouldn't think, it's a little bit wasteful, but it saves your life a lot of the time. So a lint roller. A lint roller, dog hair, any pet hair, quickly get that off if you don't have time to really do a good vacuum over any of your furniture or upholstery. Lampshades. This is great for lampshades as well, because those are really tough to clean. So get that on there as well. Even now we were doing, had a little spill of some crumbs. Quickly wipe those up really well if you don't want to do a big vacuum, if you don't have time to do a vacuum. This will save you and a lot of time to get any kind of dust or debris off of anything really quickly.
Tidying up can be done quickly as long as you have a plan. Caitlin Herbst in Burnaby for Open House.